In this video, I will show you how to make someone a moderator on Discord. It's really easy, so just follow the step till the end. So first of all, open your Discord and tap on your username server. In this section, there is a server setting, so simply tap on it and here you need to choose rules. Tap on it and you need to click on create rule. From here, you can give a rule name, so I'll simply write moderator. Alright, now from here, you can also choose the role color and below that you will see a few more options like display role members separately from online member and allow anyone to mention this role. You can enable this if you want. So I will enable them here. Simply tap on it and here is permission section. Okay. So now here you can enable the permission you want to give to your moderator. There are many options available. Just choose them according to your preference and then tap on save changes. Okay. So as you want that your moderator can view a channel, so simply tap the option. If you want that your moderator can manage a channel, can tap on this section. In the same way, you can choose many more options. If you want, after selecting them, just click on save changes. Simply tap on save changes. Now close this bar and here now right click on the person you want to make a moderator. Then go to rules and tap on moderator. And that's it, your moderator has been successfully created. So that's how you can easily make someone a moderator on Discord. I hope this video helped you. Make sure to like, share and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.